Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 PC to share your internet connection. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on Settings. Under Windows 11 Settings, select Network and Internet. On the right side, you will find Mobile Hotspot. Click on this one entry. Now, to turn on mobile hotspot, turn on this one toggle switch. Now you can select share over option. Use this one drop down menu to share your internet connection. In case you want to share internet connection using Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi. Or in case your PC supports Bluetooth, you can also share internet over Bluetooth. And if your PC supports Ethernet, you will see option here for Ethernet also. Next one option is power saving. Turn on this one toggle switch when no devices will be connected to your PC. Windows 11 will automatically turn off your hotspot, and under properties option you will find SSID name and password. In case you want to edit it, click on this one edit button. Now you can change the name of the SSID that will broadcast your PC. Here you can change the password of the mobile hotspot, and in case your PC supports multiple bands, you can select here these options. After making the changes, click on this one save button. That's all about this video.